Percentage. Look at these new headlines. Pulses costlier by 10%. Fuel prices dearer by 3%. Unemployment up by 5%. Vijaya polls 12% more votes than Sunita at the Panchayat elections. One common element in all these headlines is that they all indicate comparison of quantities. Another element common in them is the use of percentage symbol. The symbol denotes percentage. The term percentage literally translates means in every hundred or hundredth. It is a means of comparing quantities. Rajiv scored 80 out of 100 in English. His score can be expressed as a fraction of the total as 80 by 100. Shiv's grandfather owns an apple orchard in Himachal Pradesh. He sent them 50 boxes of apples. Shiv's father gives away 35 boxes to his friends. Let us express the remaining boxes as a percentage of the total boxes received. Boxes remaining out of 50 is equal to 50 minus 35, which equals 15. Boxes remaining as a fraction of total boxes received equals 15 upon 50. Convert the denominator into 100. 15 upon 50 equals 15 into 2 upon 50 into 2, which equals 30 upon 100, which is equal to 30%. Remaining boxes constitute 30% of the total received. Let us attempt the same question with the help of the unitary method. Boxes remaining out of 50 is equal to 15. Boxes remaining out of 100 is equal to 15 upon 50 into 100, which equals 30. Therefore, 30% of the total boxes received from Shiv's grandfather are with Shiv's family. Both the methods yield the same answer. Mona buys 5 cupcakes. She gives 2 to Kittu and 3 to Bittu. Express the shares of Kittu and Bittu in percentages. Number of cupcakes Kittu gets out of a total of 5 is equal to 2. Number of cupcakes Kittu gets out of a total of 100 is equal to 2 upon 5 into 100, which is equal to 40%. Number of cupcakes Bittu gets out of a total of 5 is equal to 3. Number of cupcakes Bittu gets out of a total of 100 is equal to 3 upon 5 into 100 is equal to 60%. Sum of percentages is equal to 100%. 100% represents the whole. In other words, it is the total.